domestic brakes here. Yo. Okay, so this is a Nissan 370Z, guys. One of my close friends' cars. Okay, he's a bit shy to get on camera, but yeah, these cars came out in, I think, between 2008 and year model this car, brother? This is a 2009 model 370Z, and okay, this is a lady driven car also, so at first glance is beautiful. I think he spray painted the front pieces on the bumper. They upgraded the headlights on this here as well. Got a electric boot spoiler on it also, and I think the taillights were also done on this car. These cars come with the VQ37 engines, and I think manual comes over the 6-speed, and then the automatic is a 7-speed. But okay, this is the manual one. Yeah, and beautiful on the inside. We got the This is your car for how many years at the moment?
Going for 2 years now.
2 years, okay. Yeah. So the only things that you've basically done on it was obviously the headlights, from what I've heard.
Yeah, so headlights, taillights, rear spoiler, and then painted the front black.
Yeah.
Swift lowering springs. And painted the calipers and 20 mil space.
And I see you got what's it, Akabono calipers? Did you put that on, or was
no,
it?
That's stock with.
That
so
came...
this is the touring model.
Okay.
So the touring models come out stock with the Akabono.
Okay, okay. So you didn't do any other power upgrades to it?
No,
exhaust,
no.
Or was it
exhaust? I bought it from the previous guy. So this car comes from Joburg, so it has a full power pipes exhaust system.
Oh, lovely, lovely. And tell me something. Is this a daily driver for you, or is this only on the weekends?
Daily drive at the moment, and then I also did the clutch as well. It's got a button clutch in it.
Ah, okay. So you got a button clutch on this as well. Okay. So tell me something. This vehicle, was it a vehicle that you always dreamed of, or is there something else that you want after this?
No, this I grew up basically seeing the 350 riding around when I was younger. So initially I wanted a 350Z.
Yes.
But to find them in a good condition is really difficult.
Yes.
And I wasn't at the time. I wasn't in the market for this car.
Yeah.
I was actually in the process of buying a daily, but then this popped up on Facebook Marketplace, so right time, I guess.
Basically. I'm scared to drive with men, but okay, you changed that for the day. Guys are pressing brakes here. No, this car has some serious power, and it's normal, it's naturally aspirated. That's the word. This is fun.
It's not the fastest car.
Yes, yeah.
But I enjoy it. It's like a toy.
It's enough for you, basically.
Yes, it's more than enough for me.
And
that's why I don't want to do anything
further
to the car.
And it gives you a rush, man. Like
it does.
Yo, guys, it kicks you on the inside here. Yeah. No, beautiful. Okay, so thank you very much for that day. That was a lovely ride.
Pleasure.
To be honest with you, I never knew a 370Z actually has this much of power, and it's normal, it's naturally aspirated. There we go.